Laura Beth with the Warren County Public Library.
And I'm Leah Sperling with the Warren County Parks and Recreation Department. And we're here today with two of Warren County's game wardens. And they just wanted to share a little bit of information since our parks are reopened and we're able to get back on the river and the lake.
I'm Officer Brad Bowles with the Kentucky Department of Fish and Wildlife Resources. This is Officer Trevor Lowe.
So if I want to kayak or canoe in Warren County, where are the places I can put in?
We're very fortunate to have a lot of public access areas in Warren County and Simpson County for boating activity. Basil Griffin Park, any place along the river through town. There's Weldon Peak Park, Boat Landing Park, and Lonnie White are all Warren County parks that have boat ramp and access there to the water. Also, Romanza Johnson and Phil Moore offer good paddle sport activity.
As Officer Lowe said, Simpson County, which is not too far away, has a couple of different accesses that you can kayak or boat. We have Drake's Creek Reservoir in Simpson County where you can launch a boat and go fish. We also have Sadler Ford, Pitmore Ford, and Kenny Berry Drive where you can go launch a kayak and do some kayaking for the day.
You can access all this boating information through a website at Warren County Blueways Trails. It has the float times there for each float and access points where they can be located at throughout the county.
So if you guys take your families out to any of these locations to enjoy the riverways, just make sure that you take a little baggie for trash. Make sure that Leave No Trace is really big, and we want to make sure that we leave, first of all, leave it clean for everybody. Also for all the wildlife and the fish that live in that habitat. Just make sure, pick up after yourself, and if you happen to see any trash, help us out and pick that up as well.
If you encounter any wildlife on the creeks, such as baby deer or turkeys or anything, make sure you just leave them alone. The springtime of the year, mothers tend to leave their young in one place and they come back later in the day or later in the week to come and take care of them.
Thanks for joining us. We hope that you all make smart and safe decisions and enjoy the great outdoors through Warren County Parks. Have a great day.